The first part of this question is to find the perimeter of the mirror. Okay, so perimeter is the total distance around the outside of a shape. Now, the outside of the shape would include this part, this part, this part, and this curved part. Okay, so don't get confused and don't include the inside, because that's not part of the perimeter, okay? Because a lot of people make mistakes and they add up the inside of that. We're not actually finding the perimeter of the rectangle. We're only finding the perimeter of 3 sides of the rectangle, right? Not the inside. So I'll get rid of that. Can I erase it? Yep. Okay, so we know that the perimeter includes, like I said, 3 sides of the rectangle. And if this is 59 centimeters, then this side's also 59 centimeters, right? Now, to find the perimeter of this semicircle, okay, so it's half of a circle. To find the outside of a circle, what is that referred to as?
The circumference.
Right, the circumference. Okay, it's the perimeter of a circle. Now, what is the circumference of a circle equal to?
Either pi d or 2 pi r.
Good, it can be pi d or 2 pi r. And if we look at this semicircle, are we given the diameter or the radius?
Radius.
We're given the radius, right? We know that the radius is 18 centimeters. So we could use this formula, and now this is a formula for circumference of a circle. If we're only looking at half of the circle, what would we do with the formula to find out the semicircle?
We divide by 2.
We would divide it by 2. Good. Okay, so let's find the circumference of the semicircle. So circumference is equal to 2 pi r, and the radius is what?
18 centimeters.
18 centimeters, and we're going to divide this by 2. So if we just simplify the numerator first, so let's just simplify that. 2 times, I'm going to use 3.14 for pi. So 2 times 3.14 times 18, and I get 113.04. And I need to divide that by 2 since we're only working with half of the circle. So divided by 2 is equal to 56.52 centimeters. Okay, so the perimeter is equal to 56.52, so this part plus what? What else do we have to add for the perimeter?
3 sides of the rectangle.
Yeah, which are, what are they?
59 centimeters, 59 centimeters, and 36 centimeters.
Good, 59, this part, this side, another 59, and then the third part, which is 36, and what do we get for the total perimeter?
154 centimeters, and then you have to add
plus the 56.52. Okay, so this is 154 centimeters, and we add that to 56.52, and what's the total perimeter?
210.52 centimeters.
Good, 210.52 centimeters for the perimeter. Okay, so the second part of this question asks us to find the area. Okay.
There's...
Good, so we have a rectangle, yeah, which is, area of a rectangle is length times width, good.
And then pi r squared for the, pi r squared divided by 2.
Good. For the semicircle. Good. Pi r squared, which is the area of a circle. And again, because it's a semicircle, we're going to divide it by 2 because it's only half of a circle. Okay, so we'll use both of these formulas. So we'll start with the area of the rectangle. And what is the length of the rectangle?
59 centimeters.
Good. And the width?
36 centimeters.
Good. So the total area of just the rectangular part, which is this part?
24.
Good.
Centimeters.
2,124 centimeters squared, right? Because it's the area. Okay, and then we'll do the area of the semicircle, which is pi r squared divided by 2. And I'm going to use 3.14 times pi, for pi, and the radius, what's the radius?
18 centimeters.
Good. So we're going to simplify our exponents first. What's 18 squared? What's 18 times 18?
324.
Good. So we're going to multiply 3.14 times 324. And again, because I use 3.14 for pi, so this is an approximate answer, right? So times 3.14, and we get what? What'd you get?
1,017.36.
0.36, so that would be centimeters squared, and that Oh, and then what do we have to do with that answer?
Divide by 2.
Good, I almost forgot that part. So we want to divide this answer by 2 because this is the area of a circle, but again, we have a semicircle, so divided by 2, what do we get?
508.68 centimeters squared.
508.68 centimeters squared. Now that's the area of the semicircle and the rectangle, but we want to know the total area. So how do we find the total area?
Add them together.
Good. So 2,124 plus 508.68. And when we add those together,
32.68 centimeters.
good. 632.68. Let me just fix that. This is a 6, so 2,632.68 centimeters squared is the total area of this mirror. It says that it's a mirror.